What's up, guys? Are you tired of spending hours in Photoshop? Stop using Photoshop. Meet Nano Banana, the revolutionary AI photo editor and generator from Google Gemini. With just a few prompts, you can transform your photos, change background, or even create entire realistic scenarios faster and easier than ever before. Today I will show you how to take a photo, turn it into an amazing professional looking scene, and create images from scratch using prompts using Nano Banana. Google Gemini is a Google advanced AI platform. It includes tools from text, code, and now image creation. Nano Banana is part of Gemini. It is an AI powered image generation and editing tool. So you can generate a brand new images from text description or upload your own image and edit it with simple text instructions. This makes it faster, easier, and often more fun than Photoshop. To access Google Gemini, let's open our browsers and type Google Gemini. Then go here. I have already signed in, but if you are a new user for Gemini, you need to sign in using your Google account. Then once you open it, you will see the notification, try image editing with our best image model. So you can click here or on the tools part, go down and click on create images. So now you can upload your own image and write a prompt just to edit your image, or you can write from scratch to generate a new image. So first let's try to upload the image and do some editing using prompts. My original image is this one, MrBeast image, so we will upload this one, and after we upload it, we'll write some prompts to edit the photo. So there are some prompts that I have already collected from ChatGPT, so let's use them. First, let's try to edit the MrBeast photo just to replace its background. So let's copy this one and paste it here. Then submit. Then after a second, it will generate the image. And this one will be the image that we edited using the prompts. So we can even edit this image. So after the image is generated, we can change the background. So let's copy this one. Just to change the background to sunny beach and to keep the realistic lighting also. Let's copy this one here and submit. You see, it changed the background. So you can prompt any order that you want to edit the photo. So within your instruction, the Gemini will generate and edit any photos as well. You can write any description to edit the image, so Gemini will edit the image based on your requests. So let's change also the background. Just to replace the background with bustling city street. So let's copy it here. So just within a few prompts, you can edit any photo that you already have. So if you finally decide to download this image, you see the image quality is high. You can download it and you can access it. And the other feature of Gemini is just to create the image using prompts. So I have the same prompts here that I have collected from ChatGPT. Just a hyper-realistic portrait of a young woman with blue eye and curly hairs. Just she wear a laser jacket, soft study lighting, and detailed textures. So let's copy these prompts and let's submit this on. You see, this one is a new image that is generated using the prompt that we copied. So we can even edit this one just to add a necklace on her. You see this. So let's try the other prompt. And let's edit this one just to add a cabin and birds. See here. So you can play with your words. So with any prompt that you instruct for Gemini, it will generate images and edit your photos. So that is it. Now you can know how to generate and edit any type of photo using Google Gemini and Nano Banana. Experiment with prompts, get creative, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with your favorite AI editors. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.